Hey everyone, welcome back to the IP service. Today we are tackling a common but frustrated issue, the share folder error 0x800704f8 on Windows 11. If you are trying to access the share folder and running into this error, don't worry, I have got a quick and easy fix for you. I will walk you through simple step to get. Now we'll click run and trying to access a network drive. That's error state, the error code here. Windows cannot access the folder. Then I click search button and type edit group policy. Then local computer policy and computer configuration under administrative template. Then click network. Then click Lanman Workstation. Then right here we are search enable insecure guest logins. We're just looking for scroll down and finally find it. Enable insecure guest login. Just double click and click enable and apply, then OK, and close this editor policy. Now we can click search and type cmd command prompt run as administrator. Now we can type gpupdate /force for update your policy by instant updating. Now complete policy update has been completed successfully. Now we can try to access the data folder. You can access right now. We also the network drive, map network drive, then finish. Totally accessible. Your problem is solution right here. Thank you for watching IP service. Like, comment, share and subscribe us for more tips. Thanks for watching IP service. Thank you.